Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about types of disaster under disaster management subject unit 1 introduction to disaster. So what is disaster? We already seen in first slide. Disaster is an sudden calamitous event that serious disturb that functioning of a community or society and cause human, material and economic or environmental losses that exceed the community's or society's ability to cope using its own resources. Though often caused by nature, disasters can have human origins. So for better understand, for disaster, we have made some abbreviation. D stands for detection, I incident command, S for safety and security, A assess hazard, S support, T for triage and treatment, E evacuation or recovery. So two types of disasters are there. Number one, natural disaster. Number two, man-made disasters. So here, what are all the natural disasters? So there are 7 disasters are there: earthquake, volcanic eruption, cyclones, floods, drought, tornadoes, tsunamis. First, we are going to discuss about the earthquake. So we already know about the earthquake. Earth's crust plates are moving or colliding each other, that is called earthquake. We know that most earthquake occur along the fault lines when the tectonic plate slide past each other or collide against each other. It is called earthquake. So the crust part may shakes. So the earthquake damaged to the upper part of the crust society. So next is volcanic eruption. So volcanic eruption we studied from the school itself. So it's caused widespread destruction and consequent disaster in several ways. Yes, volcanic ash may form a cloud and settle thickly in nearby location. Insufficient quantity ash may cause roots to collapse under its weight, but even small quantities will harm human in inhaled. So volcanic eruption. Next is cyclone. Cyclone also we know in previous school itself. So it's the launch of low pressure system or the extratropical cyclones and the cold core polar cyclones which lies on the synoptic scale, which in methodology is an horizontal length of 1000 km or more. So it will hit to the ground surface. So nearby coastal areas, villages or nuclear power plants, thermal power plant may damage severely. So next is floods. So floods due to heavy rain. So floods hit may be in village or town, sometimes in river bed, river end may got flood due to heavy rain. So drought we know about the drought due to lack of rain, due to lack of groundwater, drought may occur. So it also a type of disaster. So next is tornadoes. So tornadoes is mostly in foreign countries, may damage severely. It's a violent rotating column of air extending from a thunderstorm to the ground. The most violent tornadoes are capable of tremendous destruction with wind speed of up to 3000 meter per hour. They can destroy large buildings, uproot trees, and so many. It will damage to the vehicle. Most tornadoes form from thunderstorms only. So next hazard is tsunami. So we faced tsunami in Chennai. So tsunami waves do not resemble normal sea waves because their wavelength is far longer. Rather than appearing as a breaking waves, a tsunami may instead initially resemble a rapidly rising tide. Tsunami generally consists of a series of waves which period ranging from minutes to hours arrival in a so-called wave train. So in mid-ocean, earthquake will appear. So from the mid-ocean, the plate will come up. On the upper plate of the water, it will enter into the land side. So next is causes of natural disasters. So the causes of natural disasters are many. Human activities play a role in frequently and severity of disasters. A natural disaster is disturbed in the balance of environment. The human factor raises the cost in both property damage and loss of life. So not all natural disaster can be prevented. Each natural disaster has its own factors and complaints. So man-made disaster is a disaster resulting from human intent, negligence, or human error. So it can be both intentional and unintentional. The man-made disaster result in huge loss of life and property. It further affect a person's mental, physical, and social well-being. So reason for man-made disaster. The cause of man-made disasters are the reason ignorance, unawareness, illiteracy, carelessness. So for example of man-made disaster, we were listed 4 major man-made disasters: nuclear disaster, chemical, radiological, and terrorism. So nuclear accident may occur in nuclear power plant due to carelessness. One should not look at the fire at its cost intent blindness. Close all doors and windows as radioactivity does not prevent into solid structures. Cover all food and water. So next is chemical disaster. Chemical disaster may happen in the chemical factories. So it provides correct and accurate information to government officials, which is the chemical disaster. We need to give the more attention for the chemical disaster. Why? Because it will damage the nearby factories, nearby village, as well as the employees of the factory. Radiology means uranium in atomic power plants. Their carelessness may happen the radiological spread. Take over yourself, keep your condition till the flash, hot air, and flying and falling debates. So these are all the contents for the employees as well as public. So next is terrorism. Terrorism is against the government. So it may cause the people, or it may cause the property of government side as well as the city village side. So effect of disaster, so it has only caused loss to life and property. The animals face the threat of extinction. Good yielding land turns into a water wasteland. Human suffer from severe alignment. Everywhere there is a health problem. So this also a one type of man-made disaster. Thank you. Hope we understand the types of disaster whatever in our work. Thank you.